Some might say that I'm a loner, but I just call it being free. I am my heart's only owner, or at least I used to be. 'Cause now a wildfire is raging deep inside, and my heartstrings are pulling like the tide. And the match that drew a spark was a single stolen kiss. And if that ain't love, I don't know what is.
Hi everyone, I hope everyone is having a great day today here in Georgia. We're gearing up for another hot one today, but it's beautiful outside and it's cool right now because it's earlier in the morning, and it just looks great outside from my from where I'm sitting at now. And so today I'm cooking a roast, and this is almost a 2-pound one. We don't need a big one for just me and Calvin. And the recipe today is going to have brown gravy in it, and this is like classic ranch salad dressing mix. And then you can also put Italian seasoning packet mix on it, but I didn't have one here today, and so I made up my own Italian seasoning packet mix. And I'm going to be cooking this roast for about 6 to 8 hours on low, and so about 4 to 6 on high. So let me put my roast in my crock pot. I've already sprayed it, and y'all that like to use the liners, you can do that. Okay, so there I put my roast in now. So I'm going to put my brown gravy mix on next. Come over here. I think I'm going to go ahead and put my water in around my roast first. And this is a 1/2 cup of water. Calvin said that when he was picking this roast up, that this was the best one that he could find. I've made this recipe before because it's a real good recipe. The last one we had was a little bit bigger roast and a little bit prettier, but this one's going to work just fine too. Because a crock pot always makes your roast taste better and tenderer. Let's see if I got all of that out. Okay, I'm going to just spread this out, and I'm not going to touch anything except the season packages, and then I'll go wash my hands. Okay, so now then I'm going to put this one on, and it's the classic ranch. Oops. Let's spread that around. These seasoned package mixes smell good. Okay, so now then the Italian seasonings. I'm going to get my crock pot meal on, and then I'm headed out of the house for a few errands. And then when I come back, I'll show you my sides that we're going to have. Okay, so I'm going to put my lid on my crock pot. Put this on low. Okay, and I'll see y'all in a little while. Okay, my roast over here is in my crock pot, and it's just like about another hour. We were out running around today doing a few errands and things that we enjoy doing, and so we had to get back home though because we still need to prepare our side dishes that Eric and Patrick sent us last week. They sent us these, and it's such a big meal we wasn't able to prepare it then, but now we have time to do it and everything. There was a lot going on in our life last week, and so we're going to cook this. It's right here. It's some stuffed peppers. I don't know if I said Eric and Patrick sent them, but they are the ones that did send them. And so then this right here is macaroni and cheese. And about the time that they're done, my pot roast will be ready, and we will be ready because I'm very hungry right now. And so let me get these prepared, and then we'll be back in a few minutes. And I forgot to mention that I'm going to cook them according to the instructions on the box.
You keep turning heads when you walk by. If they only knew you left me blind. You don't even notice their starry eyes, 'cause you are looking straight into mine. Yeah, you could have anyone you want, but I'm the one who gets to take you home. It's the way that you left me in the morning. It's the way that you love me through the night. Let's just shut the blinds to keep the world inside. Now I know I'm yours till the end of time. I keep turning heads when I walk by. If they only knew that I am yours. I've had my fair share of love, but no one ever came as close as what you and I have right now. The ring on my finger tells me I'm the one. A love like this is one in a billion. It's the way that you love me in the morning. It's the way that you love me through the night. Let's just shut the blinds to keep the world inside. Now I know I'm yours till the end of time. As long as I'm walking down the aisle, smiling, looking at me.
Okay, everything has came out of the crock pot and the oven, and I'm just waiting for some of it to cool down, and it all smells good and looks good, and me and Calvin can't wait until we'll eat the meal. And I have over here, I have some macaroni and some peppers and some cream potatoes, and this here is our roast. It came out of the crock pot all in one piece. It didn't all crumble up, but I can tell it's going to be really tender. So when my roast cools off a little bit and my macaroni, I will plate us up a plate, and then I'll be back.
In this bubble forever is where I wanna stay and crumble. People, I only see your face. It's the way that you love me in the morning. It's the way that you love me through the night. Let's just shut the blinds to keep the world inside. in your eyes, indescribable, forever is where I wanna stay. And from people, I only see your face. I've had my fair share of love, but no one ever came as close as what you and I have right now. The ring on my finger tells me I'm the one. Love like this is one in a billion. It's the way that you love me in the morning. It's the way that you love me through the night. Let's just shut the blinds to keep the world inside. Now I know I'm yours till the end of time. As long as I'm walking down the aisle, you're smiling, looking at me, with tears in your eyes. Indescribable, forever is where I wanna stay. And for people, I only see your face. It's the way that you love me in the morning. It's the way that you love me through the night. Let's just shut the blinds to keep the world inside. Now I know I'm yours till the end of time. As long as I'm walking down the aisle, you're smiling, looking at me, with tears in your eyes. Indescribable, forever is where I wanna stay.
Hi everyone, I'm back and I have everything plated up now. We have stuffed peppers, thanks to Eric and Patrick, who sent us the Walmart grocery delivery. And then we also have some mashed potatoes with gravy and the pot roast that I cooked. It was really tender when I cut it up. And then this here is their macaroni that they sent. And okay, I'm going to test the mac and cheese first. That is very good. Okay, so now then I'm going to taste the peppers. It's got some hamburger meat in it, I see, and rice. I know this is going to be good too. Very delicious. So I think that Eric and Patrick has put me and Calvin onto something, and so we will be getting some more of this, the macaroni and cheese and the peppers. So thank y'all very much. And so I'm not going to taste the pound cake and the strawberries because we all know that's going to be good. Okay, so see you on the next video. And so y'all do what you love and love what you do, and bye.
I hoped we were gonna make it. He promised we would find the time. Dreaming for eternity, creating perfect memories, yeah. We hoped we were gonna make it. Little did I know that time would take us to a place where love could grow, but in a different way. think of you